So here I am on the East Coast of Oahu, hence the Jeep. All right, so I'm about 35 minutes away from Waikiki, and I'm surrounded by boats. I'm on a pier. Why? Well, because I hear that there's a place that is doing some real deal Hawaiian food. I mean, we're talking off the hook. And that was pun intended. This is Heiaia, Kea Pier, General Store, and Deli.
2 Luau Stew, 15.
Our fried veggie chef.
It's a little hidden gem.
Kind of a hole-in-the-wall place. Not a whole lot of Waikiki tourists are gonna find it.
Good local food, nice atmosphere right on the water. Can't beat it.
Mishiyaki beef.
Hawaiian-style comfort food with a twist.
Cooked up by an island native locals call Gooch.
Oh, so where's the Gooch?
Gooch, he's crazy.
That's Chef Mark Noguchi, whose passion for cooking led him to the Culinary Institute of America, and whose love for Oahu brought him back home.
All right, let's get back to work.
Now he's putting his own spin on classic Hawaiian dishes, like this plate lunch, delivering both salty and sweet.
And the Luau Stew for Andrew.
What are we making first?
All right, so first today we're gonna make Luau Stew.
Luau, like a muka, like that. No.
Luau leaf is taro leaf.
Taro,
Yeah.
like taro root.
Exactly. Right now we're gonna take this boneless pork shoulder,
Trimming off the fat.
trim out the fat, and then dice it up for the Luau Stew.
So the pork's all cubed up.
Yep.
Now we're gonna hit it with,
Kosher salt.
and then we're gonna go to the rondo, brown it off.
Yep.
Okay. Now what's next?
Pull the meat out now into a container. Now we add our onions. Add our salt, add just a...
Pull a little moisture out there. Sweat these down.
Yes.
All right. Now the onions have definitely caramelized.
Yep, we're gonna add a little bit of water to deglaze.
Okay. Okay. So now the leaf,
Yes, now the leaf.
the luau leaf from the taro plant.
Correct. Some people like it to spinach. I don't say that, but if there's a...
So this is the Hawaiian collard green.
Nice.
Are these bitter?
No, don't eat it. Because what it is that when it's raw, Colocasia esculenta, that's the name of the taro plant, has these like silica crystals in it that needs to be broken down with heat and moisture and time. So you pick that up and you eat it, and your throat's gonna get all itchy and close up, and then I'm gonna have to provide mouth-to-mouth, and you don't want that.
So now we go in with the pork, sits up on top of the itch your throat taro root leaf.
That's right.
This is gonna cook down. Now what's gonna happen?
Now we're gonna add a little bit more water and
Okay.
kind of let it braise down.
This is the stew?
That's it.
No carrots, no mirepoix, no...
KISS. Keep it simple, stupid.
You think you'll fit in there?
Yeah! A little bit of shoyu.
The shoyu is the Japanese soy sauce, but it's the soy sauce that you use typically in Hawaiian food.
Yes.
All right, how long did this cook?
Slow and low is the way to go, so about 4 to 6 hours.
Dude, it looks like I'm in the wine country. I'm up at Sonoma County for a mud mask.
Where are you?
Not that I've ever had one of those. All right, so we're done.
Yep.
We got some rice?
Yep.
Okay.
Luau Stew, there you go.
Ooh, and I got the Hello Kitty chopsticks. Huh? That's what it is? Ha 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 ha. Oh. That's outstanding. Pork's super tender. It's very rich. There's a lot of mouthfeel to it. Creaminess of the luau. Dude, I would drive from the other side. I would drive from Honolulu for this.
Right on, right on.
Dynamite. Seriously? Outstanding.
Right on.
I love this dish. He does a good job of cooking. It's very comfort food.
Gooch's philosophy is you give back to your community as much as you've been given.
Mark knows that Hawaii's an isolated place, so we gotta eat the foods that are grown here.
Like pork from nearby Shinsato Farms, beef from Kuhivi Ranch on the Big Island, and even, get this, seaweed from Gooch's own backyard. How do you get it?
You go out and you just scoop it. If it's by the shoreline, you just grab a net and...
All to make another traditional Hawaiian dish.
I got 2 limu salad.
That's the bomb right there.
Limu salad?
Limu salad, yeah.
Is this limu?
That's limu, seaweed. This is invasive, and this is called gorilla. It encroaches on native habitats. And it
Really?
just pushes things out, yeah.
So you don't want it, so eat it.
Exactly. But it tastes a lot better after you blanch it.
Good.
We got a pot of rolling boiling water.
Okay.
And we gotta make sure it's salted. Drop it in, and so you notice it's a dark color.
Right.
And when we blanch it off for a few seconds, it's gonna turn to a slightly more like greener green.
Like green beans.
Yes.
Wow, so it goes that fast.
Yeah, it goes that fast in seconds.
So this took a little bit of the bitterness out of it, or a little
Correct.
bit of the... We got it all out.
I was shocking it.
Shock it.
Then we're gonna drain it and let it dry.
Break it down so it's a little bit easy, so we're not munching on it like a horse.
And that's it.
Okay.
Okay. So now we're gonna make our vinaigrette.
Okay. Okay.
So we got our Hawaiian chili peppers. Are they cute?
They are. Are they hot?
Kick in your, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Put in our Hawaiian chili pepper and garlic, Hawaiian salt, and grind it to a paste.
Is this traditional Hawaiian?
No, this is Japanese. This is suribachi. Okay, once we got our paste, take a little bit of our sherry vinegar.
Sherry vinegar.
Yes, sir. Get it out of the grooves. We're gonna take our limu, our sliced onions.
Little cucumber.
We're gonna add our tomatoes from Whole Farms.
And shoyu.
A little bit of shoyu. And we just mix it up.
Little finishing salt on top.
This is a combination of 3 salts from 3 different islands.
Okay. And that's all she wrote.
That's all she wrote.
Bro, it's hard for me to say.
Yeah?
The salad that's made out of the gorilla seaweed that you harvest in your backyard, as funky as it is really good. Fresh, palate cleansing. Can you hear the crunch? I mean, you gotta work through this. Really nice.
There's a burst of salt water in your mouth. A little bit of a bite to it.
Straight out of the water, straight in the back door and on your plate.
So what's next? You gotta have a big grand finale. When we come back, the gooch does not disappoint.
Misayaki.
We're talking about stir-fried beef busting out with flavor. Where are we again?
Hey, okay, up here, General Store and Deli.